and the world was with Jah. We not fight with carnal weapon, no. No bullets, no corruption. We fight with truth and vibration. Truth and right. Roots and culture. Live words, sound, and power. Let the microphone become a sword for the righteous. Hear me now. Word, sound and power. Shun down Babylon wall every hour. Word, sound and power. Lift up the weak and the humble flower. When the righteous open up their mouth to speak, foundations of corruption turn fragile and weak. Babylon tremble now. Yeah, look at them crumble. A word can build a kingdom or tear one apart. A single truth can ignite every sleeping heart. One voice from the ghetto can shake parliament walls. When the spirit of justice upon the people calls, them try to change the language, censor every sound, hide the keys of wisdom so the youth stay bound. But you can't cage frequency, can't lock the soul. Truth is like a river and it naturally flow. Every lyric we deliver is a spiritual seed, planting liberation in a time of greed. Watered by the ancestors through drum and chant. Roots revelation growing stronger in the land. Our fathers beat the Naya Bingi through the darkest stage. Now we write the same fire upon another page. Word, sound and power. Chant down Babylon wall every hour. Word, sound and power. Lift up the weak and the humble flower. When the righteous open up their mouth to speak, foundations of oppression grow brittle and weak. Oh, truth revealed. Look how them a tremble now. They spend billions for media shaping fear and lies, painting false illusion right before the people's eyes. But one freedom song can mash down them disguise, wake the sleeping masses and make the blind man